Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to learn about the user-defined type cards. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. User-defined type cards mean that the user can declare a particular type card, or you can help TypeScript to infer a type when to use. We check whether a given animal is a cat or a dog. Let's take an example. Okay, so we are checking here whether the given animal is a cat or a dog. First we create a interface cat, then interface dog, then function is cat. Okay, which takes the parameter cat or dog. On the behalf of it returns the respective values, right? So let's understand this code. So we have defined two interfaces, cat and the dog, each representing a different type of animal. Okay, cat has a method meow and the dog has a method bark. Okay, the next method, you have created a user defined type guard function called isCat. So basically it's a user defined type guard function that is called isCat. This function takes an animal parameter of a type cat or a dog. So it's take the parameter of type whether cat or a dog, which means it can accept values that are either a cat or a dog. The purpose of this function is to determine if the provided animal is a cat or not. Okay, so basically the purpose of this function is what? Is to determine if the provided animal is cat or a dog. It does so by checking if the meow property exists in the animal object. Okay, so it will check, okay, that the meow property, okay, exists in the animal object. Okay, so it exists in the animal or not. If it does, the function returns true, indicating that it's a cat, otherwise it returns false. Okay, so TypeScript, here you can see the TypeScript uses is cat type guard to narrow down the type of the animal. Okay, so here you can see within each branch of the statement. Okay, here you can see that the isCat, right? So here we have the function that is called isCat. You can see that isCat over here. Okay, what it expects animal, whether it's to be a cat or a dog. Okay, so we need to pass the any cat or a dog. Okay, then if we pass then isCat. Okay, TypeScript uses the isCat type guard to narrow down the type of the animal within each branch of the if statement. Okay, with the if statement, ensuring that you can call the appropriate methods based on the actual type of the animal. This helps to prevent the type related errors. You can see is cat, whatever the animal we have sent, whether it's to be cat or the dog, then we call animal is meow. Okay, else we showcase that the TypeScript knows that the animal is dog here. Okay, so first check the animal, that is, if it is cat, then the meow function will call, and if it is not, then bark function. Okay, so this is the user defined type guard in TypeScript. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.